Okay guys, we have a problem. Good morning everyone. You might wonder how someone feels on a day like this. It's really hard to explain. It's going from very emotional to very exciting. I obviously worked like 10 months towards this moment, so it's finally here, so it's super exciting. But on the other hand, you know, there's a moment of saying goodbye to your loved ones, so obviously that's also quite emotional and I'm not looking forward to it. It makes you realize what you have, so that's a nice thing I think, but it's weird. It's like this. But overall I think as soon as I have my helmet on, it's all fine and we're just going, and then I'm gonna be super excited. So yeah, let's get to the moment of goodbye. Oh jongen. Doei! Doei doei! Oh man, this is weird. Oh, I'm riding away, like for real. That was the goodbye. I still don't fully realize that I left. Of course I'm a little bit emotional, and at the same time I'm very excited because my dream started. I'm officially on my way and I'm not coming back for the next like 5 months, and that's really weird to realize. It's a roller coaster of emotions. Let's put it like that. We're on our way, guys. It's happening. It's unreal. I still can't believe it. I still feel as if I'm going back home like in a week. So I think I have to adjust a few things, or adjust my mindset or so. I don't know when I will realize that this is gonna take a while before we reach our destination. So we are riding towards the border of Belgium now. And from Belgium we will go south to Luxembourg, and there I will stay at a camping in the north of Luxembourg at Michelin, I believe it's called. So there I will stay the night, so it's a first night of camping, and then tomorrow I will depart to Germany. I will do a little loop in Luxembourg. The roads there are really nice and perfect for motor riding. So I do this little loop and then I head into Germany. So I think it's gonna be like 600 kilometers in 2 days. So I start easy. Let's get things together and get my mind around it. I have to figure this all out. This is the border already. All right, that is the first country. We are in Belgium. Whoop whoop. Oh wow, look at that. What is it, like an old church or an abbey maybe? Like, wait a minute, can I pass? Wow, that's nice. Val-Dieu. Val-Dieu. Oh. It looks lovely. It looks very old also. With a basilisk. Oi. Let's see what this is about. How do people do that with all of their stuff? I mean, I want to leave it behind actually. So I did a little research about this abbey, and it was actually built in 1216 by a monk, and he was looking for peace, and then he found it in this valley, so that's how he ended up here. And then in all those years the abbey has been destroyed quite a few times, and they have rebuilt it every time. And now you can visit it, and it has a nice garden and a restaurant, and it's actually famous now for its brewery. They make beer and also cheese, which is a specialty of the area here in Belgium. So if you like beer and cheese, this is definitely a place to go, and it really looks nice also. So that's a nice surprise that I drove by. Came from here. Not sure where it's sending me. Still need to figure out a few things. Oh, it's a different way of life already. And me and navigation still need to become friends. That's a thing for sure. Here we are again. Oh, finding your navigations and flies. Oh, now there is a fly in my helmet. What? Oh, now I missed? No. Cool. Oh. This fly, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's like super annoying. And I need to focus on the road. Oh. Where are you? Alright, I think I have it. Oh, you see? The fly is distracting me from where I'm going. And look at the green hills. It's lovely, huh? It's so nice in this area. It's like the Ardennes, Belgium and Luxembourg. They have these really nice hills, and the roads are also quite good and very, very curvy. So I really enjoy riding in Luxembourg. We're almost there, by the way. We're still in Belgium. And I also desperately need fuel. That would be quite funny, right? Day one, and then I ran out of fuel. I don't think my fuel management is good, but it would be really sad if I would already run out of fuel. So I hope there will be a station anytime soon. Oh, as we speak, we are in crisis. Okay, I really need to find a station, because I'm not sure if that was stupid. I haven't filled up my spare bottles in the back of my bag, mainly because I thought of the weight. And I thought I wouldn't need it anyways. And here we are, fighting the fuel crisis. I only have one bottle of fuel, and that's supposed to be for cooking. So yeah, this is the border. We can check another country, and it's Luxembourg. Whoop whoop. Ah, thank God. Okay, we made it to both the country as well to a fuel station. Hallelujah. Oh my God. It's all over my... Oh. I cannot believe it. It's just really hard to see how much you have put into the bottle. Oh, no. La la la. I must look like an absolute beginner. Luckily, I am a beginner, but I could have done this better. Alright, that was a whole workout. Oh! Well, this fuel session is rather interesting. La la la. So we should be almost at the camping, and it's a really nice located camping. It's right next to a river and it has a view on the castle. So I've been there before once with my mother, and I thought it would be a nice destination for my first ride because I know the place, I know a little bit about the roads to the camping. So I thought it would be wise to pick something that's familiar so I can focus on all the things that I'm not familiar with, which are actually quite a lot. Here we are. There you can see the castle. It's right on top of the hill. It's really nice. Oh. And I make myself a nice chicken pesto pasta. Good morning everyone. We are in a very sunny Luxembourg today, and I'm happy that the sun came out because it was raining this morning and it was the first night in the tent. Well, what can I say? Rain and a tent, it's not gonna be my friend, but it was really nice to wake up here in this green and lush valley. So, that was nice. I will tell you more about how I experienced this night in a second. But first, let's get the bike started. Don't forget anything? No? Alrighty. There we go again. Whee! Bye bye. Nice place. So we're heading off for the second stretch of the trip, and I mean, look at this valley, huh? It's so nice, lush and green. You can hear the river at night and all the birds, all the insects. It's really a nice spot, and people are very gentle. There are actually quite a lot of people that walk over here, so I'm curious if there is some kind of route. Look, there's the castle. It's beautiful, huh? It's like located right on top of the valley. With the sun, it looks lovely. So yeah, the sun. I'm happy that it came out because in the morning it was still raining, and I experienced that packing your stuff with rain, it's not it's not gonna be my hobby because probably I have to lay it out all again tonight so it can dry. So yeah, I'm still trying to find my way in like packing all this stuff, all the weights also. So I have to make up my mind if I'm a fan or not. but for this night I really enjoyed it. So now we're heading to Germany, where I will stay 2 nights. I have decided to put in a rest day to get my mind together. It's quite a lot, of course, that's coming towards me, so I'm gonna chill out there. So it's gonna be a long stretch today, and kind of curious. I like the Black Forest, it's really nice. So let's see when we are there. But first, a little bit more from Luxembourg. Too annoying on the mic, but it is windy, I can feel it, and we are close to the border with Germany. Let's see, where is it? There we go. That is the 3rd country that we enter, guys. Whoop whoop, we are in Germany. Guten Tag, liebe Freunde. Yeah, I've been to Germany quite a few times because part of my family is from Germany. So the country, oh wow, the country is really familiar to me. Oh wow. Yes, that might be wow, but what happened next is not so wow. Okay guys, we have a problem. Because of the weight of the bags, now suddenly it hangs towards the exhaust and it does melt away. And I'm not sure how much longer it will hold. Yeah, so that's the thing, huh? So what I did is I took the heat protector from my MSR cooking equipment, and I hope it's gonna protect the heat for now, but I guess I have to find a garage and ask for another heat protector or so, because I'm a little bit worried. And we are back on track. So the solution I made with the bags, it seems to work, so that's a good thing. I'm only a little bit worried about the damage that already has been done. But that's for later. For now, I'm not burning up my bags anymore. And I also found out that there were some screws missing. So yeah, basically the whole day I thought about that. Because, yeah, I mean, if screws are missing, that's not really good. So I need to take some time to figure out my bags. And that also caused the fact that I didn't go to the Black Forest anymore, because it took quite some time to figure this all out. And yeah, at some point I had to take the highway to save some time. So unfortunately I had to pass the Black Forest. And then when I was riding on the highway, I found this other motor guy on the emergency lane. so I stopped to ask him if I could help. And then it turned out that he had the same issue as I did yesterday, but he was too late, so he ran out of fuel. So I gave him all my bottles, because luckily I filled them up yesterday, remember? And then he insisted on paying me back and giving me lunch. So I ended up having a lunch with this random guy who turned out to be really, really nice. And we had this chat, so that also took some time. And then also I had to do the last bit on the highway. So yeah, it was a whole other day as I planned. But that's the whole thing about this trip, right? So it's actually really nice. And yeah, now I'm heading to my stay for tonight, which is in the southeast of Germany, so a little bit further as the Black Forest. That is awesome! Look at those houses, typical Germany, with the wood, stones. I like that style. Not sure why, but I think it's cozy. So here we are. This is where I am staying for the next 2 days, and it feels like an absolute luxury after the last night that I spent in a tent. Now I have a kitchen, I have a bed, I even have a television, and I can see sunshine from my window. There she is. So that's really nice. So that were some interesting days. I think overall Sunshine did very, very well. I'm very happy. I only need to adjust one thing, and that is the stand. It's a little bit high, and because of the weight, sometimes if the road is not flat, it tends to fall over. So I'm not very comfortable with that. So I have to adjust that. But for the rest, she's doing quite well. She's doing that well that she burned the bags almost. Yeah, I'm laughing, but I'm also a little bit worried about it. So I have to figure this out. It will be fine, I'm for sure. But yeah, I need to have a thought about it. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna head to the Alps, and I'm really looking forward to that. I think the Alps are a really nice place to be at, and they have some lovely roads. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to that one. And if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and then I see you at the next adventure.